Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will discuss how to control a sound in library in Animate CC. Okay, first, we will go to import uh, file import. We choose import to library, not to stage. Okay, and then find your sound. So I have sound in this folder. Okay, I will choose the sound. Then click open. And now we will see if you control and press L, you can see our sound is here in the library. Okay, let me uh, pull down the library panel, take out the library panel. So you can see that the sound in the library, uh, we have here linkage user account that notified sound. So we will link this to the code. So how to link this sound to code? So you have to click on the sound in the library. If you don't have library panel, you can control L. You can open the library or you can hide the panel. Okay, and then right click the sound in the library and then click properties. Okay, in the properties you can see there's a several option here. Uh, you can uh, you can test, you can stop, you can hear the sound. You can stop, can update. Okay, and then for our exercise purpose, we will go to this one action. Okay, and then you can see you click on the export to action script. So the classes is a name that you can put any type of name. So in this case, I will use this name given. Okay, and then you can choose the export to. Okay, then uh, click OK. Click OK. Okay, and just click OK. And now you can see that in our library we have a linkage here. So this is a class name that you can use to connect your coding with your sound in library. Why we use sound in library rather than we just pull down from library to the timeline? If you control sound from library, you can more dynamic. For example, you can stop anywhere, you can play anywhere, and you can do anything to the sound. It's more dynamic. Okay, let us go to the next step. So press F9 to open the action panel. Okay, so for example, so first one you have to create a variable for your sound. For example, I put a sound, baby sound. Okay, okay. So the next one you have to this variable we will link to the name of the classes inside uh, the name of the uh, classes inside the library. So I use this just now, and then we will go to equal to we will create a new sound from the classes. Okay, and following by the brackets. Okay? And then we will create a channel for the sound. You have to use the uh, we create the sound channel. So by using the sound channel command. Okay, make sure that your sound channel is uh, will change to blue color, and then we will play uh, we will play the sound. Okay, so our sound is this one. uh, we will play the channel. Okay, so the channel is this one, and then we'll play equal uh, baby sound. Okay, for example, I want to change this one to in library lah, for you can. Okay, baby sound in library, go to baby sound in library. So you will, if you want to play, you will use a command play following with the brackets. Okay, okay, let's check what is the code. Okay, let's test, control enter. Okay, so you can see uh, we will have the sound is loading, is playing. So if you analyze in your timeline, no sound in the timeline. So this is dynamic. So you can stop, you can play, you can anything. You can change the volume. You can cut. You can fade. You can fade in, fade out the sound. So it's more dynamic. Okay, let's try. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.